Looks like Benny wants to say hi today. Hey guys, Nathan Cox here. Thanks for joining us on Around the Home. Today I'm excited to show you guys the M2 Pro Pocket Jig System from Massca. Now they sent this to me so I could review it, show it to my viewers, so you guys can see what I think about it. But I want you to know in no way does this mean that I'm scripted or contracted to say anything that I don't want to say. In fact, I let them know that right off the bat, and they totally agree. They want only honest, true reviews. So there's no paycheck involved here for those of you who think, well, they sent you that thing. That's not like a paycheck. It's like work, because I have to make videos on it. I have to make many videos on it. Okay, to show you guys. And if it's junky, why do I want to keep doing that? Why do I want more junk? Anyways, let's get to this thing. Okay, so this one here is their flagship, kind of like the creme de la creme, the full kit. And on their website, it runs about 150 bucks, like $149.99. And right now, as I'm making the video, I just saw that it's actually on sale for $129.99. So that's excellent. So I will have in the description down below links from their website. Okay, so it'll be helping, that's the best way to support them. They're actually a small family-owned company based out of California. So that's really awesome. I love helping small businesses, especially American small businesses. So I'll have those links there. Now, of course, it still supports me if you buy the product, even if it's on Amazon. So I will have, there are some of their stuff is on Amazon as well. So I'll have Amazon links, if you're just hardcore Amazon. And either way, I'm affiliate for both companies. So I get a little bit of, credit for you guys using those links and making those purchases off my links. So that helps to support me as well. So definitely appreciate it. Use those links. Okay. Now I've been using pocket holes even before pocket hole jigs were popular, okay? Just using a countersink, and a drill bit. But these new pocket hole jigs, if you're doing any kind of cabinetry or projects or something like that, furniture, are just amazing. And I'm gonna reference, because I do own the Craig's 720 Pro, and it's basically the same price as this. So not only am I gonna reference differences as I see as I'm going through this one here, but in a future video, I'm going to run these two head to head, okay, and really see which one is the best bang for the buck. All right. Oh, and right off the bat, coming directly from the company, not from Amazon, the communication was amazing. I had emails, getting ready to ship. It's shipped. It's arrived at your house. Did you get it? Are you enjoying it? I mean, they were very, I knew exactly where my package was the whole time, which was awesome. All right, so we have basic instruction booklet here. Looks like with some tips and tricks. Looks like it's pretty well put together. All right, right here in the middle is a big box of screws. Hopefully that light's not just shining right on it so you guys can actually see it. And I've got a good number selection. Different sizes heads and different lengths. And I have, of course, in fine screws as well. That's really nice, actually. That's kind of a full selection. I don't think I need to go out and get anything. All right, so here, it's probably going to be a clamp or something. Oh, okay, a whole bunch of stuff. Let's get a better angle. Okay, so in here I've got, looks like square drive and a couple Allen wrenches. Looks like a depth collar and stuff like that. That's cool. This, I have no idea what that is. And I even have more screws. Shorter ones, longer ones. And more screws. That's pretty sweet. And here, looks like is gonna be our drill bit. Okay. That's nice. We'll come back to that. It gives me one of these big old fat-headed clamps. Okay, very nice looking. All right, this is obviously part of the main clamp of the jig, or maybe not. I'll figure that out in a minute. Oh yeah, actually I know what these are. These are extender wings, because here's the rods for them. Let's just start opening this stuff up, shall we? As some of you are wondering why I'm in like what looks like a kitchenette instead of in my garage, well, it's like 90 degrees outside, and it went from 70 degrees 2 weeks ago to 90 degrees and 80% humidity, and I would be sweating up a storm. It'd be a mess, so I'm gonna stay where it's cool. Okay? So I'm sorry it doesn't look like I'm in a shop, but that's because I'm not. Okay, now right off the bat, I mean, I knew this was going to be all aluminum because it said all aluminum in the description. But that's like really one of the big things I noticed right off the bat to a lot of the other real popular jigs, like the Craig jig, which is like 95% plastic, 5% metal, only where the little sleeves are. And the only thing that's plastic on this is a little, you got the rubberized grip here, rubberized, you know, or maybe more like a plastic pad, you know, there. I'm sorry. On the clamp, and then I've got the plastic elbow here for the dust extraction. Everything else is metal. Now that really feels solid. All right, now if you want to clamp this into a workstation in your garage or shop so it's permanently mounted, this one's actually got 4 screw holes already drilled and countersinked here on the base of the jig itself. And then they provided you, that's why we have a batch of regular wood screws there, or there is a T-track down below here which you can use a T-clamp on. I don't have any with me, but so there's a couple different ways you can mount this to make it really like solid. Or if you're more mobile, you can just screw it into a section of 2x6 or 2x8, and then you can clamp that to your mobile bench. Okay, so let's review real quick what comes in the kit. What do you find in the box? Okay, so obviously we have the main jig, which is like all metal, except for the handle and the chute. You get the cool clamp, okay? We have a couple of extender / wing ends, rods, and here are the wings that attach to them. We do have, of course, the countersinking drill bit. We have a long square 2 bit. We had a depth collar and a depth guide. A couple Allen wrenches. They call this a portable base adapter plate. I'm not 100% sure what's that for, but we'll figure that out in the setting up video. And then you get all these screws and this nice box of screws, along with our guide here. So I want to say thank you so much for watching our video. Please take time to subscribe to our channel, click the bell for notifications. There's our website link with so many more videos organized really, really well, along with other resources. And there's another video for you to check out on top of everything else. You guys have a great one.